You are about to find out the key levels for T2 Biosystems, ticker TTOO. So with this stock, we can see we did cover this before as it was doing this move, looking for a pullback in that range, which we got. You then get the retest. With that retest, you're likely to break, as we did. Now, what we can see is our target was actually at 78 cents. We haven't quite hit that, which does mean that right now, obviously, we are pulling back. We could see our continuation back down to around 35 cents and then see if buying pressure can kick in. And if so, again, we're basically looking for another resistance test at 78 cents. So basically what I'm looking at on TTO is if we go to the downside, we have a support at 35 cents and 22 cents. Really, they're the only two levels I'm looking at getting potentially long bias at. If we don't trade either of these long bias, then again, they're the only two levels I'm paying attention to, not paying attention to anything else to the long bias side. So really, it's more of a focus. If we go to the upside, if we kind of squeeze, we have 78 cents, we have 94 cents, and at an extreme move, we have obviously $1.50, 270, and I think we have one more at 460. So again, they're extreme moves, but the main focus, I guess, would be on kind of the 78 or 94 cent level. And again, it is hard to borrow, but they do have options. So my main opportunity on a stock like this is normally I'll have an alert, which we can actually place now. And if this stock starts pushing to these highs and becoming into these overbought areas, I will tend to just look at these short buys. Again, I don't tend to trade the run up on these stocks because to me that seems more of a gamble. So again, I'm not going to be long this stock, even if we do pull back, and I'm not long now. I prefer catching these stocks as they squeeze kind of short bias into these ranges. So if we see us at 78 cents or above, I will be looking short bias. Again, most likely looking at the option chains and looking to just basically probably buy some outright puts, maybe some vertical spreads, and we can see how much they're going for. As of right now, the prices do seem very elevated. Obviously, we can see a 250 put. It's still seeming quite expensive. Actually, the $5 puts are seeming quite accurate or quite cheap. But yeah, I mean, I'd probably be looking to trade the outright puts depending on the volume, which you can see is pretty lackluster today. But once these ones expire on Friday, we should see more volume on these ones. But if the volume stays weak, then probably looking at vertical spreads. But either way, the way I'm looking to trade this is short bias at 78 cents or above. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video because you'll probably enjoy that one too.